Hello everyone, meet me again Hana Vemberiana Putri, majoring in Informatic Engineering in the morning regular class. I made this video to fulfill my English assignment which is already microprocessor evolution text. Have a good time watching! Evolution of the microprocessor. The hardware revolution that brought about desktop and handheld computing was the invention of the microprocessor, which contained a processor, a single chip. Originally much slower than multi-chip processor, microprocessors have constantly evolved to the point that they are now much faster for most computation due to the physics involved in moving information around in sub-nanosecond timeframes. Only have microprocessors become the fastest general-purpose processor available. They are now multiprocessor. Each chip called a circuit contains multi-value processor code cores, multiple levels of large memory seats, and multiple logical processors sharing the execution units of each core. As of 2010, it's not unusual for even a laptop to have 2 or 4 cores, each with 2 hardware threads, for a total of 4 or 8 logical processors. Processors provide very good performance for most forms of computing. There is increasing demand for numerical computation. Graphical processing units (GPUs) provide efficient computation on arrays of data using single instruction multiple. That is AMD Technique's pioneer in supercompute eras. GPUs are no longer used just for rendering advanced graphics, but they are also used for general numerical processing, such as physics simulation for games or computation on large spreadsheets. Simultaneously, the GPUs themselves are gaining the capability of operating on arrays of data with increasingly powerful vector units integrated into the processor architecture of the x86 and AMD 64 families. Processors and GPUs are not the end of the conventional story for the modern PC. Digital signal processors, DSPs, are also present for dealing with streaming signals such as audio or video. DSPs used to be embedded in 10 devices, like modems, but they are now become first-desk conventional devices, especially in handhelds. Other specialist computational device fixed function units coexist with the CPU to support other standard computation, such as encoding or decoding speech and video codecs, or providing support for encryption and security. Satisfy the requirements of handheld device. The classic microprocessor is giving way to the system on a chip (SoC), where not just the GPUs and CPUs are on the same chip, but also many of the other components of the system, such as DSPs, GPUs, I/O devices such as radios and codecs, and main memory.